95% of the people doing push-ups wrong, and I'm not even exaggerating. I've watched thousands of people absolutely butcher what should be the simplest exercise on the planet. Look, push-ups are simple and free muscle exercise. You don't need equipment, you don't need weights, you don't need gym. But if your form is off by just a little, you're wasting time, killing your gains and risking injury. And almost everyone makes at least one of these 4 mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are and how to fix them so every single rep actually builds muscles. Let's start. Okay, mistake number 1 is sneaky, so pay attention. Cracking your neck up. You wanna check your form in the mirror, or maybe you're just bored looking at the floor. But here's what's actually happening. You're throwing your entire spine out of alignment. Your neck muscles are straining, your form is collapsing. To fix this, lay your eyes down. Pick a spot on the floor about 6 inches ahead of your hands and glue your gaze there. Your head should stay neutral. Just imagine you're holding a tennis ball under your chin. One straight line from head to heels, not like a question mark. Do this and you instantly feel the difference in your core engagement. Which brings me to mistake number 2. And this one is really destroying your shoulders. I'm talking about elbows flared out at 90 degrees. This is the most common mistake I see, and it's a shoulder injury with a countdown timer. When your elbows wings out of the sides, you're putting your shoulder joint in the worst possible position, your rotator cuff is screaming, your chest isn't even getting worked properly, and you're basically doing how to wreck your shoulders rep. But here's how to fix it. Tuck those elbows to about 45 degrees from your torso. From a bird's eye view, your body should look like an arrow, not like a letter T. This keeps tension where it belongs, on your chest, on your triceps, while your shoulders actually stay safe. It's getting even worse. Next mistake is hips sagging toward the floor. This one is a double betrayal. Not only are you compressing your lower back into oblivion, but you're also making the exercise easier in the worst possible way. You're cheating yourself out of core strength while setting up future back pain. The fix is simple, and I've got 3 words for you. Brace, squeeze, plank. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you. Squeeze your glutes like you're holding a $100 bill between your cheeks. And maintain a perfectly straight line from head to heels. Imagine someone could lay a broomstick along your back. It should touch your head, shoulders and butt at the same time. If there's a gap big enough to swipe a pizza, you've got work to do. And finally, the one that changes everything. Moving straight up and down. Most people think push-ups are just a vertical movement. Up, down, repeat. But that's like thinking bench press, it's just like moving the bar up and down. The fix is a real game changer. Push forward and up. As you press, drive slightly forward too, like you're trying to move the floor away from you. This isn't a huge motion, but it's the difference between chest activation and holy crap, I can actually feel this. You should feel your pecs working through the entire range of motion, especially on the top. That's the money zone you've been missing. So fix these 4 mistakes and I promise you, your push-ups will actually start building the chest, shoulders and triceps you are working for. No more wasted reps, no more mystery shoulder pain, just real, visible progress. Keep improving and I'll catch you in the next one.